Hi everyone, it's Donna here, and I am back with video number 2 for today. This one is a naked journal. It is a writing journal. It's a ready to decorate on your own journal, and it comes with an embellishment pack, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Now, the binding for this journal, the idea for the binding came from Heather, who is Ruby and Pearl XO, and if I remember, I'll put a link to that video down below. It's an open spine binding that's held together with this sari silk and these lace tabs that go across the front and back. The cover, front and back covers are just chipboard that have been decorated with some of my papers, scans of some of my linens. This one measures about 5 and almost 6, and then by 9 inches. So let me flip through it real quick. Like I said, it's naked. It doesn't have any, well, it has a couple of very small decorations in it. And plenty of place to journal or decorate as you so desire. This is an envelope. This envelope was gifted to me by somebody that participated in my friendship challenge last year, but I can't remember who it was. But thank you, whoever you are. And inside is just place for journaling on this pretty paper. This is an original plate from an 1870 something delineator magazine. It was very fragile, so I backed it on some parchment paper, and you can journal on the inside. Yeah, so pretty, very detailed. Some coffee dyed, eco dyed paper, page from a 1700s book. That's a digital original music page. Just random pages that you can decorate. This one has typewriter font on it. A scan from one of my linens. Page from 1920s children's reader. Some pretty images. Page from 1884 ledger page. That's an original. I did put some lace on that, and it's a pocket or a tuck spot. Miscellaneous pages. There's a back side of that, or this has been eco dyed with a fern. You can see this is the binding that goes through to the outside, and the back side of all of those pages. Oh, I forgot this one is a little pocket. You can just glue that closed to make it a full pocket. Most of the pages in here have been coffee dyed. Back side of all of those pages. This is a big pocket and a upper tuck here, and I just put some lace on this one. And this is another Cheryl Francis Art digital. And that's the naked journal, and there's plenty of room in there to make this expand, to do a lot of decorating. And this is the embellishment pack that comes with it. There are some papers for doing collage. Got these little ones here. Some are vellum. page from a 1700s book. So, actually 2 pages from a 1700s book. Ledger page from 1905, that's an original. A French page from a French school book. Some reproduction advertising. Another page from a French book from the 1700s, and a page from a German book from, I think this one was 1901, with that pretty font. So that's the paper part. There's a little embellishment pack that has some rusty paper clips, some rusty safety, some safety pins, some straight pins, and some buttons. So, and some mother pearl buttons in there too. There's a few mother pearl buttons. There's a pack of small embellishments, small doilies and little embellishments, some different ones. So some little embellishments for collage and to put on tags, put on pages, whatever you want to use them for. There's some laces that you can put on the edge of pages. Some crocheted ones, some Valencian lace, another crocheted one, some delicate lace, and some eyelet lace. And then a pack of embellishments that I have made. So there's 5 little snippets that are sewn. There are some tags that you can write on the back, and these have all been collaged or embossed. This one has some laces on the top, some tatting, some more laces, and then some tuck spots. These are on fabric, and most of them have some kind of stitching, hand stitching. This is an old photo, original photo. Some stitching. Here's a big, you can tie this down on 3 sides and you've got a big pocket. And some stitching on it. This is a piece that can go over the outside of a page. You've got your page, and it's a little bit small, but then you clip it on. It's got decorations on both sides, hand stitching. This is actually my grandmother and grandfather on their wedding day. So you've got that, and a fabric flip with several different laces and fabrics, and some hand stitching on this as well along the top. So that is the Naked Journal with the embellishment pack. Oh, there's also a snippet base that you can use for a belly band, or cut it up and use it for tabs on the pages as well. So this is the Naked Journal If you are watching this and this is still available for purchase, the purchase information will be in the description box below. And I thank you for watching, and everybody have a wonderful and safe New Year's Eve, and I will see you on the other side in 2024. Thanks, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.